honestly, to be in this community, and I can tell you my reason. After the presidential election, we were really tensed, and we needed to do everything to make sure that we were very comfortable in my own election. The people of this community are majorly visitors. They are not residents. And this community has a very big voting strength. Our supporters at that time approached them, spoke to them, and they saw reason to support our election. So what I'm doing here today is to say thank you for believing in us. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for also standing by us. The little we can do is to make your life better. This road is very significant to us because it removes tears from the faces of the people living here. It was a terrible road. The living conditions here was unimaginable. But to the glory of God today, those things are now history. You can see joys in the faces of the people here. Moreover, the residents here who are majorly non-indigenous. My advice will only go this way. Politics is not about who supports you or who is against you. Politics will also include attending to the need of the people. At this particular time, if I was an evil person, I would say I won't come here, considering the nature and the locality of this place. But because it is our duty in government to provide services, protect life and property, we had to come to make sure that our people here are happy. It's not about me, it's about the government. Government should be caring. The purpose of government is to put smiles on the faces of our people. So we're here today to return thank you to the great and wonderful people of Rumolumene, specifically those residents in this Okocha street, and to assure you that the other adjoining streets, we are going to attend to them immediately. Continue to be peace-loving, continue to obey the law and stay out of trouble. Continue to support the right thing, which is important for every one of us. Let me, on behalf of the government and the good people of River State, thank every one of you, more especially the residents, for your support so far, and assure you that we will continue to do all we can to better the lot of Obiakpo people. In a few days, we'll be going to Akania Obogoro. That is another very sensitive road. By the special grace of God, it's already ready for commissioning. We're not ending there. We're already at the roofing stage in the same Obiakpo, the general hospital that you don't have, and also the psychiatric hospital, the modern one we're building, because we know our major problem today are mental illness because of drugs and otherwise. So you should see that our projects are not limited to only road, but to other things that will also bring a better life to our people. The issue